Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually publish the page that you have already created in Groovefunnels. Now, let's assume that this is the page that you have already created. To publish it, the first thing you want to do is to click on the Save button and wait for the bottom right pop-up. All right, here it goes, the green button, the green pop-up, and then go to the Publish. All right, and you click on the Host your site with us, and you can give it a backend name. Okay, so for example, here it be shiningdiamond.groovepages.com stroke upsell. After that, click on the publish and wait for the green pop-up again. It means that it has been published. Right click on here and open it on a new tab, and there you go, your page has been published.